Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the phone off to avoid shorting contacts or corrupting data. That's why you do this first. Once off, find the SIM tray on the left edge of the Samsung A53 5G and insert the eject tool straight in, don't angle it. If you don't have the tool, a straightened paperclip works. Make sure it's thin and firm. After pressing gently until the tray pops, pull it out evenly so the small tray doesn't bend or drop the card. Once the tray is out, lift the SIM card out by the edges so you don't touch gold contacts. You can see the orientation notch that determines correct placement. Make sure to inspect the tray for dust, lint, or any visible damage because debris can prevent proper contact and cause network issues. If your A53 uses 2 slots, identify SIM1 versus SIM2 now. That helps avoid swapping carriers unexpectedly. After inspection, handle the SIM with dry, clean hands to avoid oils on the contacts. To finish, place the SIM card in the tray with the metal contacts facing down and the notch aligned so it seats flush. Then slide the tray back into the slot until it clicks. Once done, power the phone on. Make sure it recognizes the SIM. If the device fails to read the card, reboot with the tray fully inserted, then test another SIM to isolate the issue. For stubborn problems, clean contacts gently with a dry microfiber cloth or seek support before performing any resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.